Hi all. So in this video we are going to be looking at how to find the largest integer out of an array of integers. So let's get started with the program. Okay, so now it's time to type the code, and okay, so let's type hashtag include iostream.h. So iostream.h is basically for input output stream, so which is output and which is for cout and cin statements, which we are going to be using in this program. And hashtag include conio.h. Conio.h is basically for the functions clear screen and get ch. So we are going to be using that. So that's why we are included conio.h here, and void main. So we are going to the main function here, and now clear screen. As I said earlier, clear screen is clearing the screen now, clearing the output screen so that your output can be viewed very profoundly wide. So yes, for that. And now it is time to access the array. So we have to write, because the user has to get our message, right? So we have to write enter an array of integers. Okay, one second. Okay, enter the number of integers here that you're going to enter. Enter the number of integers you are going to enter. Cin, say any variable name, for example n. So now we are accepting the variable n here, right? So now we have to declare a variable before that. So int n, and now cout enter an array of enter an array of integers. Now for int I equals 0, I less than n, I plus plus. So basically now I have to I'm pretty sure I have to explain this, because then you'd get to know the gist of this idea. So this is actually enter an array of integers. So seeing this, the user will input an array of integers, right? So say there are 10 integers entered. So now it has to start with the first element and this last element, right? So we have to deal with that. So say it is going to be 10 integers. Say maximum, you have to include this maximum is 10, so that user gets to know maximum is only 10 integers that you can enter. So now for int I equals 0, I less than n, and I plus plus. Okay, so having finished with the loop, I equals 0 actually goes to the first element of the 0. Okay, so before saying all these, let me input the array. Cin say a of I. Okay, before that we have to declare the declare the integer array, say a of 20. Okay, let's say a of 10. Why a of 20? A of 10. So now what happens is the first element in a of 10, which is it is a of 0. So I value 0 here. So that's why I have given I is equal to 0, I less than n, and I plus plus. So this actually does it for all the values starting from a of 0 to a of 9. Not a of 10. Listen here, it's not a of 10, but it's a of 9, because a of 0 to a of 9, a of 0 to a of 9 is actually a of 10. So 10 spaces. So we have declared here, and we have accepted the array, and having accepted it, we have to find the largest of the array of integers, right? So we have to declare an other variable for that. So say int large. Okay, and now let's say int large equal to a of 0, and now let's go to the loop again. For I equals 0, I less than n, I plus plus. And well, Now, having done this, we have to go for finding the largest of integer, right? So now, if a of I more than large, then what should be done? A of I, no, large equals A of I. Okay, so having done this, we have to close the loop now. And now having done this, now this is very simple. What this part of program does is actually for I equals 0, it goes to the first element and till the last element. So that is for I equals 0, I less than n, and I plus plus. I plus plus basically increments to the next I value. So if a of I more than large, if a of it compares every I value with large, and in case if it is more than large, then large will be given the value of that particular value, that is a of I value, right? Okay, if a of I is more than large, then large will be given the value a of I. Okay, so having done the program, let's test it now. So before that, we have to write cout the largest of the integers is large. Get ch. Get ch function is basically just to get a character just before exiting the output screen, so that you can get it done properly within the program without any errors or something like that. So just making it clear. Okay, so now I hope you guys understood. So let's test run the program, and I hope it is right. Let's check. Okay, it's right. Now enter the number of integers you're going to enter. Okay, maximum 10. Say we are going to enter 5 integers. Now enter an array of integers. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's check. Largest of the integers is 5. Okay, it's right. Okay, so now number of integers is 5. So we have entered 5 integers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the largest of the integers is 5. So it has found it right. So our program is right, and I hope you like this video. Also, don't forget to share this video with your friends, and also don't forget to subscribe my channel so that you can get all notifications in your device, and also don't forget to press the bell icon near it so that you can get instant updates from my channel. Thanks for watching.